Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off nudges on Gmail. To start, open Gmail. After that, click on the gear icon. Click to see all the settings. After this, in the General tab, go to the Nudges section. Here you can disable the available boxes. You can see that by default, the changes will be applied. If you need it, you can check these boxes again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.